Hello, welcome to Ikea. How can I help you today? Hi, I'm a businessman looking to spend 3 to 4 hours on assembling something that I don't even need. I'm looking for your, what's it called? A flinga-dingle-dingle-durgan? Oh, our flinga-dingle-dingle-hargan. That's what you're looking for? Oh, I'm pretty sure it's in aisle 36, bin 2. Oh, okay, thank you.
Oh no, we're gonna rock it down to Electric Avenue.
I could really go for some Swedish meatballs right now. Hey, sir, I got a question for you. It seems that there isn't any in that bin. I was wondering if you could, check the back for me? Sir, I don't think you understand. You're in Ikea. This is the back. No. I mean, check the back. I mean, you must have some more in the back.
Bruh.
Sir, this is Ikea. You are in the back.